Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today we are going to have a quick revision for grade 7 term 3 examination, and maybe some questions I'll take, and those questions will be from your reveal book of mathematics from Ministry of Education. Maximum of the things I will revise with the concept. Okay, see, first topic is circumference of a circle. So we have a circle with its radius r, then you can have diameter, for example, suppose if I write as d, then it will be double of radius. Okay, so what relation you can have? You can have radius is equal to half of the diameter. So if value of diameter is given to you and you have to use the radius, then you can make it half. Okay, now what is the formula for the circumference? And before that, try to understand what is the meaning of circumference. Circumference means this outline. Okay, if it is a polygon, then it will be called perimeter, but in the case of circle, it is called circumference. Okay, so this outline is called circumference of a circle, and it is given by c, for example. So c is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius. Okay, and its unit will be unit. Unit means maybe it can be centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, anything. And what value of pi you will take in the exam? If it is given, you will take 3.14, or you can take 22 by 7 also. Okay, but remember, you will utilize this when it is given. Maybe answer can be in terms of pi also. For example, if they say radius is 10 centimeter, then what will be the circumference? It will be 2 into pi into radius is 10. So maybe answer will be, choice will be given 20 pi centimeter. Okay, if not, then it can be 20 multiplied by 3.14, means it will be 62.8 centimeter also. Okay, so it depends that what choice is given to you in the exam, that choice you can select it. Okay, now next can be, okay, what else you can have from circumference? What else type of question? For example, you can have, if they can give you cost of the fencing. Fencing means something to put cover on the border. So fencing means always you will deal with the circumference. Okay, so if you have a circular park, that park has to be covered with a fencing like this, and cost of the fencing is 2 dirham for 1 centimeter, okay, or for 1 meter, anything. Okay, then what will be the cost of the total fencing? So in that case, what you will do? You will find the circumference of the circle by using the formula 2 pi r, and after that total cost will be 2 dirham multiplied by c, because 2 dirham I have taken for 1 unit. Okay, it is not necessary that you will write here 2 dirham, but if it is 5 dirham per centimeter, so you will multiply by 5. Okay, whatever it is given, you can find cost also. So this will be the word problem. Okay, now next question can be related with area of the circle. Area of the circle means, again I am taking the circle where r is the radius, then its area will be, area of the circle is pi r square, and its unit will be unit square, maybe centimeter square, kilometer square, something like that. Okay, now direct question can be, if radius is equal to 5 centimeter, then find area. Okay, and how you will find? Area is equal to pi r square, and 5 square means 25, so it can be 25 centimeter square. If not, then it can be 25 multiplied by 3.14, and you will find by multiplication you will get the answer. Okay, now another thing, what else can be given for this question? They can say, if if circumference is 10 pi, then find area. Then how you will do such questions? See, circumference, for area, what is the formula? Area is pi r square, and to find the area we must have radius. Yes or no? Okay, so here circumference is given 10 pi. So what is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r is equal to 10 pi. So pi and pi cancel. 2r is equal to 10. So r will be equal to 5. Now put this value of r here, and you will get area is equal to pi multiplied by 5 square, means you will get 25 pi centimeter square if it is centimeter. Okay, like that you can deal with area and circumference together. Maybe they will give you area and then they will say find the circumference. So we can deal with this question also. For example, if area of the circle is equal to 100 pi meter square, then find circumference. Like this they can ask the question, or they can ask that find the radius, find the diameter. See, if you understand the concept in one question, you can make many questions. Okay, so circumference formula is 2 pi r. Okay, now to find the circumference you need to find the value of radius. So how you will do it? So area is equal to 100 pi, it is given in the question. And what is the formula for area? Pi r square, it is equal to 100 pi. So pi both sides it is cancelled out. R square is equal to 100. So r is equal to what? 10, because 10 to the power 2 is equal to 100, and you can utilize this value of r here. So what you can use here? 2 times pi times 10 means 20 pi meter, because that was meter square, so it will be meter. Like that you can solve the question. Okay, now what else you can have question in the circle area? For example, you have a circular design, okay, with the radius say for example 10 centimeter, and you have to color it, and cost of the coloring of this design is say for example AED 10 dirham per centimeter square. Sorry. So how you will do it? See, unit also will tell you what you have to find. Centimeter square is used for area. So no doubt we have to find the area here. So what we are going to do? Applying area formula pi r square, that is pi means 3.14 multiply 10 square, because radius is 10. This 10 I have taken from here, okay, not the cost, this one. So 3.14 multiplied by 10 square means 100. So 100 multiplied by 3.14 is 314 centimeter square. So total cost, what will be the total cost? It will be 10 multiplied by 314. So it will be 3140 centimeter square. Like that, okay? Like this you can solve the question. Okay, now next type of question can be area of composite figure. See, this type of question will be very easy for you if you are little vigilant and analytical in the exam. Analytical means, for example, suppose this type of figure is given to us like this, and maybe like this, anything like here. I am sorry for my drawing, like this. Or I can make another one also. Why it is not working good? Okay, so we can have like this also, like this. Okay, so what will be area of this picture? See, it is an irregular picture, so what you will do? You will try to make some lines here in the figure so that you can have two known pictures. Now you can see one is a rectangle and another is a triangle. So no doubt in the question, in the exam, they will give you the height of the triangle. They will give you this thing. Maybe not directly, then you will have to find it. Find by the analytical method. Okay, maybe they will give you this complete height, say 10 centimeter. This height is 6 centimeter. Okay, and this complete height is say 30 centimeter. Then this will be 6 or 8 centimeter. This will be 9 centimeters, something like that. Okay, so how much will be this one? Base will be equal to 30 minus 17, and it will be 13. So here base is 13, and what will be height of the triangle? Height will be, total height is 10, so height will be 10 minus 6 means 4. So here it will become 4. Okay, so area of triangle is equal to half times base times height, means 2 times 2, 4, and 13 2s are 26 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle. And what will be area of rectangle? Area of rectangle. What is the formula for that? Base into height, or you can say length multiplied by width. So length is 30 if you see total. And what is the width? Width here 6. So multiply by 6, it will be 180 centimeter square. So total area is equal to what? 26 plus 180 means it will be 6, and 18 and 2, 20, 206 centimeter square, like that. Okay, like this you can do many questions. So composite area of composite figure means just you need to draw few lines so that you can find the area with the known picture. Okay, only this thing you have to do here, nothing else. For example, you can have a question like this is a square. Okay, inside this square you have this circle like this touching all the sides like this, and then like this. Okay, now side of the square is 10 centimeter. Okay, so because it is a square, so all side will be 10 centimeter. Okay, and then what else? They can say that find the area of this shaded portion, this one. Then what you will do? This type of question can be in the exam, because you see it is dealing with a square, it is dealing with a circle. So maybe something you have studied in grade 6 or something you have studied in term 1, something like that. Okay, so how you will do? Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to what? Area of square. See, this is the analytical method. Area of square means this complete big area minus area of circle, because from area of square, if you subtract this area inside, then you will get the outside area. Yes, area of square is what? 10 multiplied by 10, and area of circle is what? Pi r square. So formula is pi r square. What is the value of r? You see, is it r? 10 centimeter? Did you say yes? No, because this 10 is the diameter. So what you will do? Radius will be 5. Okay, so it will be 5 square means 100 minus 25 pi, or you can put the value of pi as 3.14. Then you can simplify this. Okay, like this you can solve the question. Now next topic can be volume of prism. How you will find the volume of prism? See, first of all we will see the formula. Volume of prism is equal to area of base multiply by height. This is the common formula for all the prism. Okay, prism means like a rectangular box, like your room, study room. Okay, like your classroom, like your book. All these shapes are rectangular prism. So what will be the area volume of the rectangular prism? If you see, what is the base here? Base is a rectangle. So if I take base length as L, base width as W, and height of the prism is H. So it will be, I am writing for volume of rectangular prism. What will be formula? Formula is same. Area of base multiplied by height. So here it will be area of rectangle, because base is a rectangle, multiply by height. So it will be area of rectangle means L multiplied by W, and height is H. So what will become the formula? LWH unit power 3. Okay. Now similarly, if you have a triangular prism means like this. If you have a triangle and it goes like till back side, it goes like here also it goes, like here also it goes, and then you join it. Okay, like this. I'm sorry for that, I'm not that much good in drawing. So what will be the area of triangular prism? Formula is same. Volume of triangular prism. Volume of triangular prism is equal to area of triangle, because this time base is a triangle. Okay, name of the prism is given with the name of the base. If it is a triangle, area of triangular prism. If it is a rectangle, then it will be a rectangular prism. Okay, so area of triangle times height. Okay, area of triangle times height. And what is the formula for area of triangle? Half times base times height. Height, these two heights are different. Okay, height of the triangle and height of the prism, both are the different things. It is height of the prism. Okay, multiply by height of prism. So whatever it is given to you in the exam, you can put it. And in this picture, this will be the height. Okay, this is the height of the prism capital H, and this is height of the triangle, this is small h. So it will be half times, this is base B, this line, and so B multiply small h is the height of the triangle and capital H is the height of the prism. Okay, like this you can finish the question. I'm sure you can deal with the numerical problems. See, for example, here if I said volume of the rectangular box is what? Rectangular prism is what? LWH. No doubt, in this formula we have 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of these 4 things, they will definitely give you 3 things in the exam. Maybe they will say length is equal to 10, width is equal to 5, and h is equal to 6 centimeter. Find volume. So what you will do? Volume is equal to 10 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6. So it is 6 5s are 30, and 30 multiplied by 10 means 300 centimeter cube. Like that you can solve. But in case if volume is given to you, for example, I am taking the reverse question. Volume is 300 centimeter cube, length is 10, width is 5, and height is missing. Then what you will do? You will write the same formula, okay? LWH, write their values. Volume is 300, L means 10, W means 5, H means H. So H is here, 300 divided by 10 multiplied by 5. Now 1 0 cancel, 5 times 6, 30. So this is 6 centimeter. Like that you can solve the question. Okay, so if you remember the formula, then you see what all the things are given in the question in the formula, and then try to find the missing number. Okay, now next can be volume of pyramid. Pyramid means where you have top as a corner. For example, like the tent house. Okay, maybe you see the tent house during some festival season or something like that. So if you see base is a square and on the top we have like this here, and like this also. Okay, so you see it is looking like a tent house. So volume of pyramid, it will be what? Volume is equal to 1 over 3 times area of the base times height. This is called volume of pyramid. Okay, and then here area of the base means if it is a square base, then it will be 1 over 3 times area of rectangle or square, and it will be multiplied by height. Okay, and if it is a, because the square means all the sides will be equal, and height of the pyramid is h, then what it will be? 1 over 3 times a, because area of square, times h, means 1 over 3 times a square times h. Like this you can find the volume of pyramid. And its reverse can be, reverse means if volume is given, side is given, then you have to find the height. So same formula, by using this you can find the height also. Okay, like that you can solve the question. And if base is a triangle base like this, if you have a triangular pyramid, for example here you have top, so join this all the points like this. Okay, so what it will be? Its volume will be 1 over 3 times area of triangle multiplied by height. See, formula will remain same. 1 over 3 times area of the base times height. Formula concept is same. The thing is only you can have a different figure in the exam, and then you will calculate accordingly. Okay, but just take extra care of the calculation. Now, what next? Surface area of solid. Okay, here you can have variety of the questions. How? I will tell you. See, first surface area I will discuss with you, rectangular prism. Surface area of rectangular prism, like it is a box like this. I told you before also, like this, here, and it comes here and here. Okay, so what will be its surface area? Surface area will be equal to 2 times length width plus width height, plus if this is length, this is width, and this is height. So length width plus width height plus height length. Okay, this is all in multiplication, of course. LW means length multiplied by W, width. HW means width multiplied by height. HL means height multiplied by length, and its unit will be unit square, like centimeter square, kilometer square, something like that. Okay, now for example, if they say length is 5 centimeter, W is 2 centimeter, and H is 4 centimeter. Then find the surface area. Okay, surface area of this box. So what will be? Surface area is equal to 2 times L is 5 times W is 2 plus W is 2 times H is 4 plus H is 4 and L is 5. Calculate this. 2 times 5 2s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 4 5s are 20. 10, 8, 18, 18 and 20, 38. 38 times 2 is 76 centimeter square. Like this we can solve the question. Okay. Now we will talk about the triangular prism. Triangular prism will take little extra effort to find the surface area. Okay, because it will be looking like this, and then like this, and here, and it comes here like this. Okay, now this time picture is little okay. Okay, now here surface area formula what? Surface area means what? Area of all the surface what you can see. So if you make the net diagram of this, net diagram means if you open this box, then first this is the base triangle, this one, the down one. Okay, and on every side you have rectangles. One rectangle here, one rectangle here, and one rectangle here also. Okay, and one top triangle also. So that triangle can be on any side. So I am making on this side. Okay, so in triangular prism, how many surfaces you will have? Total 5 surface you will have, and out of these 5 surface, 2 will be triangle with the same area, and 3 will be the rectangle. Their areas may be same or their areas may not be same. So what will be surface area of triangular prism? Areas of 2 triangles. Okay, because we have 2 triangles with the same area, plus area of R1 plus area of rectangle R2 plus area of rectangle R3, and if their values are given to you in the exam, you can utilize this formula. Okay, I will try to write some values here for you so that we can understand it better. Say for example, this is 5, this is 4, and this is 3. Okay, like this 3 sides are given for the triangle, and you can see 3, 4, 5 are the side of a right triangle. So it will be the 90 degree. Okay, and what about this? So 3, 4, 5 is the side of the triangle, base triangle. And what is the height? Height is maybe 3 centimeter we can take, no problem. So height will remain same everywhere. So this is also 3, this is 3, this is 3. So what will be areas of 2 triangles? It will be equal to half times base times height. And why I am multiplying by 2? Because we have 2 areas. Okay, so this will be equal to half times base is 3, height is 4, and we multiply by 2 because 2 triangles, 2 up and 2 down cancel. So it will be 3 times 4, 12 centimeter square. Now area of rectangle R1. What is the formula for area of rectangle? Length multiply by width. Okay, so this is equal to, length is what? This is 5. So 5 multiply by 3 means 15 centimeter square. Then area of rectangle R2, it is equal to what? R2 is this one, so one side is 4, another side is 3. So that is 12 centimeter square. And then area of rectangle R3 is, 3 side is 1 centimeter, 3 is another one side, and 3 is the height also. So it is 9 centimeter square. So what will be the total area? Total area or total surface area is equal to 12 plus 15, this 12 plus 15, 27, 27 plus 12, 39, 39 plus 9, 48 centimeter square. Like this you can solve the question. Okay, now so for the surface area of triangular prism you will have to be little careful. Okay, just try to visualize the area of the surface by opening it in your mind, or you can make it on the paper also. Okay, if it is an open response question. Now another type of figure can be like pyramid. What will be the surface area of pyramid? You see, if we have a square pyramid like this, and then one top like corner here, this is the sides, all the sides here, and this is also the side. So what we can see, if you will open this picture, then it will look like this. One base will be the square like this, and on the top like this, it will be a triangle, here it will be a triangle, then down also it will be a triangle, and here also it will be triangle. Yes. Now, if you see, this type of height will be called slant height. What we say? Slant height. Okay, this is not height of the pyramid. Height of the pyramid will be like the straight to the earth like this. Okay, this is height of the pyramid, but we are not going to deal with this. Okay, now you see, this is height of the triangle, which is slant height. So I'm not writing this as H, this is capital H. Okay, now this same for all the heights. This is also H, this is also H, and this is also H, and it is a square, so I am taking all the sides as B. Everywhere it is B. So area, this you see, you have one square, or we can say rectangle or a square, anything, your choice. So area of rectangle, that area of square, it is equal to what? Length multiplied by width, means B square. Okay, now how many triangles do we have? Area of 4 triangles. So it will be half times base times height for one triangle. And how many triangles do we have? 4. So multiplied by 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So it will be 2BH. So what will be the total surface area? Total surface area is equal to area of the rectangle or square plus areas of all the 4 triangles. So it will be 2BH. And simplify this, you will get the answer. If unit is centimeter, then you write centimeter square. Like that you can solve the question. Okay. Now another thing can be, this chapter is going to be very easy for you, probability. Okay, why? Because maximum of the question of probability will be like an experiment, like some event. So you just assume that you are doing that particular experiment, and then what all results you can have. Okay, then every time you will get the right answer for the probability. Now what all the things you have in your exam? You see, first is likelihood. Likelihood means unlikely or likely, okay, equally likely or equally likely. Okay, and what else you can have? Impossible, impossible event. Okay, or you can have sure event or certain. Impossible means uncertain, impossible means not sure, or you can say it is not possible, and sure means certain. Okay, so whatever word you want you can use, like from your book. Okay, so just try to understand the thing. Impossible means it cannot happen, it cannot happen, and its probability will be always 0. Sure event means which is certain, certain means compulsory it will happen, and its probability will be equal to 1. Okay, unlikely means it has very less chance. Very less chance means, for example, like if I take a question from your book, and there are some things like this, so many sectors are there. Okay, so if you have this cat and other are another animals, cat is only one. So what will be the chance for spinner to land on the cat? It will be less likely or unlikely. Okay, another thing can be like, if you have from this, you have 4 sections only. One here A, another is A, this is B, this is B. So what are the chances that the spinner will land on A? So it will be equally likely. Equally likely means 50% chance, half. Okay, maybe or may not be. Okay, then likely. Likely means more likely. Okay, means chances are more. For this, more chances are there. More chances are there means, for example, if I say that, not from this picture, I am taking this picture only. If I take this also as A, now what are the chances that the spinner will land on A? You have more chances, because A is more than B. A is 3 times, whereas B is only 1 time. So that is called likely or more likely. Okay, now what is the meaning of relative frequency? Relative frequency means, see, name is telling you relative means with respect to another, and frequency means how many times it is repeated. So relative frequency RF is equal to number of individual means the number what we are going to count individual. Why I am writing spelling like this? Individual divided by number of total. Okay, number of total. For example, in your marks, maths, you got 3 students got 90%. In science, 2 students got 90%. In Arabic, 5 students got 90%. And in Islamic, 10 students got 90%. Okay, so what is the relative frequency for the students getting 90% in math? Relative frequency will be 3 over how many total? 3 to 5, 5, 5, 10, 10, 10, 20. Okay, so relative frequency means nothing to deal with the probability. Frequency means the repetition. Okay, so they will not use the word probability for such questions. They will simply say relative frequency. Now, what is the meaning of theoretical probability? Theoretical probability means the basic formula of the probability. And what is that? Basic formula of the probability is number of favorable. Favorable means whatever we have in our favor, means whatever are for the part of the success of the event. So number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of elements in sample space. Okay, we'll discuss what is the meaning of sample space. Now, for example, if a die is thrown once, if a die is rolled once, then what will be the probability to get 5? Now you see, if you throw a die, then you can have one of the 6 surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes or no? Now, how many total do we have? 6. And how many are in favor? 5. Only just one number. Yes. So 1 over 6 will be the theoretical probability. Okay. Now, but question is, a die is rolled once. What will be the probability to get even number? So if you want to find the even number, then total is 6. And how many numbers are even? You see, 2, 4, 6. So 3 numbers are even numbers. So 3 over 6, it means it will be 1 over 2, like 50%. Okay. So this is called theoretical probability. Similarly, you can have experimental probability also, means in that case some experiment will be given to you in the exam, and for that results will be given to you with the numbers, with the respective chances. So formula will remain same, number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of elements in the sample space. That will be called theoretical or experimental probability. Okay. Now, what is the sample space? Sample space means, meaning of sample space is what? It is collection of all possible outcomes. Collection of all possible outcomes is called sample space. Okay. For example, if you toss a coin, okay, in the match like football match, cricket match, we toss a coin. So if you toss one coin, then how many surfaces you can have? Maybe head or maybe tail. So there will be only 2 events in the sample space. Of course, only one will happen. Only one will appear on the top, maybe head or maybe tail, but we are talking about the possibility. So sample space means what all possible events you can have in that will be called the sample space. Okay. Similarly, if you throw or roll a die, so if you roll a die, then how many surfaces you can have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Like this you can have 6, any one of the 6 faces. So total number of elements in the sample space will be 6. Okay. Now similarly, if you toss a coin 2 times. So if you toss a coin 2 times, then what can happen? Maybe both the times you will get head. Maybe first time you will get head and second time you will get tail. Maybe first time you will get tail and second time you will get head, or you can get tail both the times. Okay. So as I have told you in the starting, like probability means experiment, and just you assume that you are doing that experiment. So all questions you will find very easy like this. Now another thing can be complement of the event. Complement of the event means, you see, opposite of the event means if A is the success, if A is representing success, then complement of A will be failure. Complement of A will be what? It will be failure of that particular event. So, if probability of A is, say for example 20%, then its complement of A, probability of complement means A dash, it will be equal to 80%, means it's failure. Okay. Similarly, if you have in the decimal, if probability of A is say 0.27, then probability of its failure means A complement, it will be 1 minus 0.27 means 0.73, like that. Okay. If you have in the form of a fraction, so if probability of A is 3 over 5, then probability for its complement, it will be equal to 1 minus 3 over 5 means 2 over 5. Definitely you are going to have question from complement. Okay. Just it is very easy. Complement means whatever is given to you, just make its opposite and you will get the complement. Okay. Now similarly, simple and compound event. Simple event means if you have just one event, then that is called simple event. For example, a die is rolled once, that is simple event. For example, color is chosen from the box, simple event. A coin is tossed once, it is simple event. Compound event means when you have two or more. For example, if I say a die is rolled once and then a coin is tossed, so we are doing the two things and this is joined with the word and. Okay, so that will be called compound event. So maybe the simple question can be, which of the following event is compound? So you remember, whenever you have two or more experiment in one time, then it will be called compound event. For example, if I say to get even number on the die and to get head on the coin, so that will be called compound event. Okay, like this you can practice the question of probability. Now what next we have? Next is statistics. Okay, this is very easy and very analytical topic for you. First is sampling. Sampling means, sampling means to choose some random numbers, to choose random numbers, okay, or random elements. For example, if anybody or if principal wants to check our class that how's the mathematics class is going on, then what he will do? He will come to the class and he will ask some questions from some random students. Okay, maybe he will say, okay, roll number 5, roll number 10, or he, she, tell me the answer. So if they answer the question, then he will understand that yes, this class is very good class. Okay, but that is by chance also. If sometimes it happens that if he asks question from 2 students and they don't answer, then he will think that this class is not a good class. But reality can be its opposite. Maybe by chance they are not giving you the answer on that particular day, otherwise they are very good students. Yes, so sampling means to choose the random element from the whole. Whatever it is given, then you can choose from that particular, all the elements, you choose the random elements, and that too without any condition. Okay, it should be total random. For example, if I say go to 7B and call one student, so if you choose any one student, then that is called random chosen. Okay, but if you call your friend, this is called biased sampling. What we say? Biased. Biased means not fair. Biased means not fair. This is the meaning of biased. Okay, and fair meaning means unbiased. Okay, meaning of fair selection means unbiased. For example, if I go to the class and in that class there are 25 students and I have to choose 5, so I can choose any 5, then that will be called unbiased. That is called unbiased selection if it is any 5. But if I go to the class, 25 are there, I have to choose 5, but I choose only those who get more than 90% in their last exam. Okay, so that type of selection will be biased. Why? Because we are using some condition to choose the element, to choose the sample, then that is called biased sampling. Okay, and biased sampling cannot give you the correct information about the data. For example, if I have to take my class to the principal and I choose only these 5 students who are very good in studies, okay, and rest of the students are average. So what he will understand with these 5 students? He will think that this class is very good because they are answering everything, okay, but reality is different. On the other hand, if my class all are good and if I choose only 5 those who are little average, then what he will understand? Oh, they are not the good students because they don't answer, so this class is not good. Yes, it happens. So if you want to get the correct data for the given sample, then sampling should be unbiased, okay, means it should be fair sampling. Now another thing is very important for you for your free response question: box plot and dot plot. What we do with the dot plot? First we will see this thing, okay. Dot plot means some numbers will be given to you. For example, say 2 1 3 4 1 2 9 1 3 6 2, okay, like this. I'm not taking this 9 is very big number. I will take around near number, okay, 4, and here I am making it 5, okay. Now how you will make the dot plot? Just draw a line and write these numbers, okay. If not like this, then remove it, like make like this, okay, because we don't have endless line. So it starts with 1, or you can not necessarily to start from the corner, you can start from here also. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We don't have any 6, it's okay, khali khali. Now 1, how many times? 1 2, it is also 1 3, so 3 times, so make here 3 dot, okay. Now 2, how many times do you see 2 here in this question? 2 is for 1 2 3 times, so here also make 3 dots, okay. 3 how many times? 1 2 times, so make here 2 dots for 3. 4 how many times? 1 2, so make here 2 dots for 4. 5 how many times? Just 1 time, so make here dot 5, okay. So what information you can see from this dot plot? You can see maximum of the numbers are below 3, means 6 numbers are there. Yes, so they can ask you the question that what is the minimum frequency? Minimum frequency is 5 because it is only for 1 time, okay. Like this you can draw the dot plot and you can demonstrate about, or you can describe about the given dot plot, okay. Now what is box plot? For the box plot you need so many things. For example, if I take the same number 2 3 4 1 3 2 3 2 1 5, like this, okay. So first of all, to draw the box plot you must write the numbers in increasing order, okay, or decreasing order, because we want to find the median, quartile, everything. So 1 1 2 2, how many times? 2 times finish. 3 3 3 3 times, then 4 and then 5. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay, finish. Now what is the median? Median will be the middle number. So what is the middle number here? 3. If you see, 4 this side and 4 this side. Yes, so 3 is the middle number, so 3 is the median, and that is also sometimes called second quartile, okay. Now how you will find the first quartile? First quartile is Q1. Q1 means the middle number of the first half. This is the first half, so what will be the middle number? 1 and 2. 2 numbers are in the middle, so 1 plus 2 divided by 2 means 1.5. And what is the third quartile? Third quartile Q3. So it will be equal to what? Second half, middle number of the second half. So it is 3 and 4 are the numbers in the middle. So 3 plus 4 by 2 means 7. 7 means 3.5. Okay. Now how you will draw the box plot? It's very easy for us. You see, you make a line like this. You write the numbers 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No problem. Minimum number is 1. Okay. Now 1 is here and maximum number is 5. So 5 is here. Where is the median? Median is, we'll see median after that. First quartile, it is 1.5. So box means its first line will be here in 1.5 and then third line will be 3.5. This is because this is the third quartile. So it will be like here. Okay, like this, and then make the box like this. Now where is the median? Median is 3. So make a line on 3 like this. Okay, like this, and then join with the line like this. Now you can see what? You can see maximum of the data is below 3. Okay, because below 3 we have so many numbers, and below 3 means of course including 3 also. Now what you can see that middle line is shifted to the right. It is not in the center of the box. Okay, so it means data is not symmetric, it is skewed. Okay, like that you can describe the data, and like this you can draw the box plot. So box plot, you need 5 things. One is the minimum number, another is the maximum number. This is first quartile Q1, this line is first quartile Q1, this line is median, and this line is the third quartile Q3. Okay, and this is maximum, this is minimum. These information you need to draw the box plot. And what will be the range? Range will be maximum value minus the minimum value. And what will be interquartile range? It will be third quartile minus first quartile. Okay, like this you can finish the question, and I am sure you have understood the lesson, though it was little quick because it was just a revision only. Okay, and if you have any problem, you can write in the comment. I will try to explain it more. But if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you and good luck for your exams. And don't forget to see my videos when you will reach to the grade 8 also. Okay, thank you.